JavaScript is a programming language that is mainly used to make websites interactive and dynamic. It's run directly in browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, allowing developers to create features such as interactive forms, sliders and image galleries, animation, real-time content update like live score or chat apps, game on the web. In simple terms, think of HTML as the structure of a web page, CSS as the styling, and the JavaScript as the behavior. Key feature of JavaScript: run in the browser, no installation needed, can interact with HTML and CSS, support event handling like clicking a button, use in both front-end and back-end via Node.js, support by all major browsers. When you click the button, JavaScript show a pop-up saying hello. Thank you so much.